What's up, guys? Welcome back to the Educated Barfly. Today we're going to be making a Mexican firing squad special. This cocktail was created at the La Cucaracha Bar in Mexico City in 1937, and it was discovered by and/or first published by Charles H. Beaker in his Gentleman's Companion Volume 2, Around the World with Jigger, Beaker, and Flask. That's all I got for it. It's a simple cocktail. It's easy. It's refreshing. It's tequila. Let's get into it. First thing we're going to do, 3/4 ounce of lime juice. And before we did that, we probably should have done a couple dashes of Angostura bitters. Then we're going to do 3/4 ounce of Grenadine. And 2 ounces of Blanco Tequila. We're using El Tesoro today because it is just good, lovely tequila. Gonna add our ice. And then today, I cut a nice spear for our glass. So putting that in there, give it a nice shake. Just got to work these things because they're like, they lock in a different way than a mini Grand and a Grand tin. So, and then we're just going to pour this over our ice. And then we're going to stop midway through. We're going to add a little bit of our soda, give it a little effervescence in the body so it doesn't just sit on top. And we're just going to finish our pour. Where do I want to put this? Here. Cool. And then we're going to just give it a nice, I'm glad I have these mutant oranges because I want to do like a nice long, kind of like a horse's neck peel so that we can give it a nice kind of presentation like that. And then today, the only thing I've been forgetting today is straws for some reason. We're going to, yeah, you like that? Is that contrasting enough? Marius gave it a nod of approval, so we shall. So a lot of people are going to be like, oh, this is just a Jack Rose with tequila. And that's exactly what it is. But you know what's really nice is that the Grenadine, which we house made, actually, go watch our Grenadine episode, really. Okay, so the Grenadine isn't as sweet as, let's say, like simple syrup would be, right? So it's got some like earthy tones to it. And it's got like a dark berry flavor, obviously. So the thing is that it really brings out a lot of those kind of more sort of, I use this word all the time to describe it, like grassy tones. But there's just like, you know, agave has this very particular sort of botanical flavor to it. And this really brings that out. And then also, even though we're doing 3/4 and 3/4 of each lime and Grenadine, the Grenadine really allows the lime to be very nice and bright and tart. It's a very, 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 very satisfying cocktail. Yes. I mean, this is right here is like a good summer cocktail. This is something that's going to be nice, very satisfying, very refreshing. So there you have it, my friends, the Mexican Firing Squad Special. Go drink it, enjoy it. I will see you guys in the next tutorial. If you like our content, yeah, I was gonna say contest, but then I fixed it. If you like our content, please hit like and subscribe. Sorry, I had a little, please hit like and subscribe. And if you want to check us out on Patreon, you can. We've got some good exclusive content dropping there. So go to patreon.com/theeducatedbarfly, check us out. I will see you guys next time.